Hi, I'm David Bonasera with ESP Sales in San Jose, California. MB Stone Care, we just took it on. We're really excited about it, but one of the products that is very unique about this one is the Oxy. This one, again, was originally developed by Cameron DeMills, who is now with MB Stone Care as they're joining forces, and this is a great thing for the industry. But one of the things about this product is it's not only neutral, but it acts like a degreaser. This really cuts through grime, dirt, but it's safe on polished marbles and most other surfaces in the house. You got little Johnny with the fingerprints, no problem. Clean up of like wood floors for spot cleaning, no problem. It's safe. Stainless steel, no problem at all. This is a very unique product. There's nothing in the industry like it. Easy Oxy by MB Stone Care.